Hi folks, John Capozzi with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here to show you this house that we were working on for the last few months. This house was totally destroyed with termites. We had to replace the framing underneath, we had to replace the walls, everything except the roof was replaced. But let's take a look to see what it looks like now. One thing I want to keep in mind here is that this is a house that was bought by an investor as a rental property to eventually get flipped. So what we wanted to do is make it look nice and at the same time not break the bank. Take a look over here. This is the kitchen we put in. Stainless steel appliances, nice white kitchen. The cabinets are made, the brand is Wolf for the cabinets. Actually the homeowner or the client of ours was able to get the appliances out of Lowe's, and they actually delivered them. We got them installed. Over here we have a center island. This island was not here before. This was just a small kitchen with a table here. The refrigerator is actually sitting over here where we put the ductwork for the heat system. The other thing that we did in this kitchen was, this used to be a wall all along here, so this was the dining area, this was the kitchen area. We took out the entire wall to get a nice big open space. Got plenty of light coming in from these windows. And take a look down here a little lower. Take a look at the floor. This is a luxury vinyl plank flooring that was put in. Everything really coordinates very well with the quartz countertops and the cabinets themselves matching with the gray floor. All the windows in this house are brand new. They're all vinyl white windows. Back over here, we made a little closet. This is the utility space, so they had a place to put the hot water heater. At one time, this used to be an area where they had a wash tub, but we put a nice hot water heater in here. It's a 50-gallon water heater to supply the whole house. The circuit panel is right where it was originally. It's just been painted. So I'm going to close this door and come out of this room. Let's take a look down the hallway here. Thermostat for the heat pump system. Behind this louver door is the washer and dryer. It's a stackable washer and dryer. The reason why we use a louver door, well, yeah, that's great. It's a louver door because when you have a washer and dryer in a closet, it's best to give it some ventilation. So that's why we put the louver door there. Let's keep coming down. I'm going to take a turn here into the bedroom. This bedroom, it used to have a closet which was built right here. We got rid of the closet and we put the closet as you come in the entryway. We did it like that because we didn't want any doors swinging into the areas where the bed would be. Take a look in the closet. Just has a wire shelf on it and a clothes pole. Let's go back to the hallway. This is the next bedroom over here. Bedroom, basically it's the same size as it used to be, but at one time there was a bathroom in here. But let me show you this feature first. This closet backs up to the other closet in the bedroom I just showed you. We basically built it into the wall so it actually pushes into the other bedroom to give us more space in this bedroom. Over here in this corner, this used to be an entry to a bathroom. But we flipped it around, and I'll show you the other room in the master suite over here. It's a tiny room, but it's a master bedroom. We moved the bathroom over here. Again, over here we have a small space, so there's not a lot of room, but we wanted to put a bathroom in this particular bedroom. Take a look at the bathroom. You can see a small vanity, a small 30-inch shower. We are going to put a glass shower door in there. Take a look back to where the vanity is. Again, this is only an 18-inch across vanity, but it fits in this room. The nice thing that we have here too is we used a pocket door. We wanted to use a pocket door versus a swing door because it just gives us a little more space. Take a look back into the bedroom. Over here in this area here is a closet. This used to be where a hot water heater was, and this backs up to that utility room I showed you earlier. So anyway, this rental property has been totally complete, ready to go, and tomorrow the new tenant comes in. Thanks folks for watching, and take care.